Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. You can hear Lana Oma Kumalo sadly singing out her pain, saying there are days when I wake up ready to conquer the world, and there are days when the world reminds me of every shortcoming, every flaws, every reason why I'm not enough. Oh guys, this is so deep. I am reminded daily by society that my opinion doesn't matter, that my voice is too soft, my dreams too big, and my emotions too deep. I am reminded daily of my shortcomings by the society that told my opinion don't matter, but even when it's hard, I keep pushing, working twice as hard not to lose my voice, not to invalidate my feelings, because at least to me, my effort does matter. Akawe umuntu ophansi. Yo guys, this is so deep. But what they don't understand is that every time they tell me I can't, I find a reason to prove that I can. Yes, we must always have that spirit to keep pushing. I work as twice as hard, not just to, but to rise. I refuse to lose. Guys, you must refuse to lose to the people, to the society that will always tell you Ukbana, you are not enough. Like, you must always be there for yourself, even when it's hard, even when you are tired. Remind yourself that effort does matter. My effort does matter. I matter. My story matter. My voice matter. There is power in standing tall even when you are underestimated. There is beauty in fighting quietly, in staying kind, in choosing peace while the world throws stones at you. Like Makumalo went on deep and deep when she was singing Yes Sorrows Out. Uyashoke ukubana akawe umuntu ophansi. This is the story of my life, a story of grace, of strength, a woman who refused to give up. And through it all, I keep shining, I keep smiling, I keep believing, because at least to me, my effort will always matter. Like, it goes so deep, guys. It goes so deep when you actually would listen to what she was singing about. And then she goes deeper as she's saying that akawe umuntu ophansi, which deeply says that a person who's down does not stay down forever, and goes to a deeper meaning, says that it means no one stays at the bottom forever. No matter how tough life gets or how low you fall, you will always get up, guys. You always get up. Remind people that being down is only temporary. So when Makumalo says umuntu akawi umuntu ophansi, she's affirming that it will never stay like that. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.